wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Alright,
Oh, I guess we don't need this mask anymore.
yeah, I kind of like it though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You want to leave yours on or should we take them off?
No, I'll leave mine on.
It could look pretty. I'll like wear it for takeoff and then take it off. How about that?
Okay.
Okay. So, this is Avatar Nation requesting permission for liftoff.
Avatar Nation, we've never heard of you, but we just heard that you did a great show at Avatarland, so thanks for doing that for us.
Yep, that sounds like us. Yep. Yeah, that's us. 10-4. You can go ahead and call us Noah and Olivia. We're from Dream Again. We hope you dream about our Avatarland experience. Yeah. Pleasant dreams. Great. And
Avatar Nation.
Oh, yes.
Noah and Olivia.
Yes.
From Dream Again.
That is correct.
Thanks for everything that you do.
Thank you too, sir. We really appreciate having you in our Dream Again world. We'd like to let you know that we have some great things coming up, so I hope we'll see you there. Yeah. All right.
Good one.
Yeah. Okay. So, am I cleared for takeoff?
Avatar Nation. Yeah, you're cleared for takeoff.
Great. Thank you.
Have a safe trip, safe flight, and some good flying out there.
Thank you. Happy skies, my friend. Happy skies.
Happy skies.
Happy skies. All right. Okay, so, Noah,
Yeah.
I need you to go ahead and buckle your hair for me.
Oh.
Yeah, and I gotta buckle my tail.
There we go.
All right, and
I'm all buckled up.
oh, hold on, my seatbelt seems to be a little bit caught on my arm. Okay, so
Yeah. You make sure you're buckled up there.
don't worry, I'm a pretty safe pilot, so it probably wouldn't be the worst thing. But
Okay.
always a good idea to wear your seatbelt.
Yeah, always
So,
wear your
Yeah,
seatbelt.
always wear your seatbelt, guys. Sorry.
Yeah. Kids always wear
always
your
wear your
seatbelt.
seatbelt.
Okay, ready?
All right, and this is the part of the journey where I let you know that you can feel free to take your avatar mask off or leave it on. It's a choice. Thank you. I'm gonna. All right, I'm just gonna wear mine like that. So those ears.
Yeah, those ears.
Yeah, those ears really. I mean, I bet you can hear really well though.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what did you say?
Guess not. All right, we're gonna take off. Let's go. Oh, we should say goodbye to the kids, right?
Oh, yeah, we should
okay,
say.
let's say bye to the kids. Thank you guys for coming to Avatarland. We
Yeah,
hope you had
thanks for
fun.
being with us in Avatarland,
Yeah.
and thanks for joining us on our Avatar Nation
Yeah.
adventure.
Yeah, we had a great time. Thank you. Have fun.
Have fun.
Bye.
Bye. Have fun watching Avatar.
Yeah, have fun watching Avatar. Okay,
Okay.
here we go. Ooh, and looks like we're gonna have smooth sailing today, guys.
Yay!
Yay.
Okay, good.
All right. Bye, kids.
Bye.
Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!